is a good friend of mine. He is the president of the URAL Association of Tourism and also a member of the Russian Union Tourism Industry. Yeah, he is the one who are responsible to introduce the region to me. Yeah, and then he is the one in the market where we are normally working with for that one. Thank you. Okay. And with him, okay, we have Miss Lariza. Okay, Miss Lariza is the director for Tez Tour, one of the tour operators in that particular region. Okay. Come, Lariza, you can jump here. Okay. Okay, sweet girl, sweet ladies. And then he has sent so many guests. Okay. Okay. This young lady, Daria, come. Daria also is one of the, this representative from the Tourism Association there. Yeah. He's running like kind of a website for the register today, and then he's also assisting Mr Mikhail in the association. Thank you, Daria. Daria can speak English. If you want to mingle, you can go through her, and then she will be the unofficial translator. There is another one more guy that's not who left. His name is Vladislav. Because they cannot stand for the aircon. Yeah, that's why they hate the cold. So sama juga macam di KL semalam. After sitting, I think about 20 minutes, and then he said the nose is running down. They had a running nose, so I said, okay, then you're very interested. But he's also from one of the two operators. Later on, we can mingle around. Okay. So, what interesting that I would like to share. This URAL region is new to us. We only met once last year. No, in 2021 during the COVID still aggressively everywhere in the world. He invited me to Yekaterinburg to take part in the few so-called mini exhibitions there. You remember Leto? Mikhail? Leto? You invited me for Leto, isn't it? Jaga. Exhibition Leto. Yeah. Yeah. So since then we have become a good friends, and then we are trying to convince him, please consider Malaysia as your selling destination. So he took the offer, he took the challenge. Last year we had first time joint promotion collaboration between Malaysia and the Association of Tourism of URAL. Okay. We started the joint promotion collaborations in the middle of October last year. 15 to 16 October we started the initiative up until 30th of January. So they never been to Malaysia. They do not know anything about Malaysia. Only based on communications, leaflets, some of the photos that we share with them, and presentation that we did for them, But when it comes to the joint collaboration, they managed to sell and send 576 packs of Russian drinks. That shows how confident they are about Malaysia. And then, true enough, when the guests came back, and then they are telling the truth. Even when the first time they stepped down and checked in the hotel in Kuala Lumpur on the 14th of February, last 2 days or 3 days ago, he said Malaysia is even more beautiful as compared that they have seen through the brochures or the slides. That's why to me, it is a good opportunity since they are here. And then I also still remember Melaka is my place. I have my own house here. I live here. I live in Melaka. If you know where is Lubong Pandan, there is a few taman by the name of Pandan, isn't it? Pandan Jaya, Pandan Indah, Seri Pandan. My house is there. Okay. Any one of you, please come to my house now. Normally, kalau air raya, we did some gatherings, kan? Okay. So this is it. So please take the opportunity. I will always be responded by Melaka. Melaka is really in my heart. I try to portray Melaka in my all programs. Now, at least Melaka has to be a one-day visit. That means a one-night visit. Yeah? Meaning they can stay here one night at least for them to spend, where the economy will push to all the players here. But in order for them to stay longer than that, there must be a good reason for them. Okay, this is where I need from you all. Now, you all the players here, there is the hospitalities, the attractions, even the travel agents who are, I say, to be brief to be more brave entering this particular market. Don't just be complacent. You are doing your own traditional market, mainland China lah, or maybe the ASEAN lah. As compared to them, I tell you, 10 of Vietnamese maybe equal to 1 get from my market. I can say that in terms of spend. Yeah. So please do consider. Later on, I will call Mikhail to come to the stage. He will give a little bit message or whatever. He will speak in the language. Daria, please to translate whatever will be possible. The main point. Okay. And then after that, these 3 guests will listen to the presentation that they have. They are going to be 6 presentation. Yeah. Hopefully the presentation not too long lah. Otherwise, when we are seeing the presentation all the time, we will start to get bored. Okay. So, without further ado, so we can start. No, okay, we can start for the first presentation. But before that, please, Mikhail, translate. You recap what I said. Okay, yeah. Nowadays, technology, using the Google, whatever language we speak, you just record and then you will translate immediately. You go to your Google, there is apps. Yeah. Even though they speak in the language, you can convert it into English. They can detect. Okay, even though it's not that smooth, at least you know the message. Okay. So, Mikhail, please come to the stage, and Daria, yeah.
Добрый день, дорогие коллеги, большая честь находиться здесь с вами.
Good morning, dear colleagues. We're so happy to be here.
Для жителей нашей страны и нашего региона Малайзия известное направление, экзотическое и прекрасное.
For the Russian people, Malaysia is a very popular district and a very beautiful place.
А благодаря активной работе управлению по туризму и личному активному участию господина Джефри Мунира, город Малака ассоциируется именно с господином Джефри у нас, работников туротрасли.
City Melaka is associated with Mr. Jeffri because he represents the city and URAL.
Поэтому для нас двойная честь и радость здесь находиться.
That's why we are happy to be here.
Уральская ассоциация туризма представляет из себя сообщество крупнейших туроператорских компаний, авиакомпаний, транспортных компаний, отелей Екатеринбурга и всей страны, а также ведущих средств массовой информации Российской Федерации.
There are more than 100 companies in URAL station of tourism, which include tour operators, avia companies, education, media.
Для уральского региона и уральских туристов крайне важны сейчас новые рынки, из-за того, что, как возможно вы знаете, европейские направления для нас сейчас закрыты для работы в сфере туризма.
For Russian people and from Ural tourists are very important to know in new countries to travel because some of European are closed because of the situation.
Но Малайзия важна и интересна и без каких-либо ограничений. Это то направление, которое может для нас стать массовым, стать популярным. Мы его знаем и имеем огромный интерес к Малайзии.
But Malaysia is a very interesting country for all the Russian people. It can become very popular and famous.
Из городов Уральского региона осуществлялись в разные годы, и в том числе и сейчас, рейсы по следующим направлениям в регионы и города, близкие территориально к Малайзии. Я их хотел перечислить, сразу перечислить. Это Пхукет, Паттайя, Утапау, Бали, Хайнань, относительно Коломбо, Шри-Ланка не так далеко. Это те направления, где у нас есть, либо временно отсутствует и было ранее прямое авиационное сообщение с городами нашего региона.
We had a direct flight from the cities of Ural district to Phuket, Bali,
Паттайя,
Pattaya,
Утапау, Бангкок, Коломбо, Кашмир и ряд других. Да, совершенно верно. Часть этих направлений ставит туроператор Tez Tour, и в том числе именно Ларя как руководитель этих направлений этой компании.
Some of this district you can buy in Tez Tour company. Larisa can help you.
И для нас, конечно, важная стратегическая задача иметь прямое авиасообщение из Москвы в Куала-Лумпур, но очень важно также рассмотреть возможность из уральских регионов, из Екатеринбурга авиасообщения с какими-либо городами Малайзии, например, Ланкави.
The most important goal for us is to have a direct flight from Russia to Malaysia, from Moscow to Kuala Lumpur, and also we want to have a direct flight from Ural cities to Kuala Lumpur or Melaka.
У нас все для этого есть, и мы с большим удовольствием ознакомимся с турпродуктом с вашим. Мы уполномочены представить его нашим туроператорам и агентским компаниям, и давайте сотрудничать и работать.
We are so interested to popularize Malaysia in Ural district. We give all information from you to our tour operators, and we'd like to work with you.
Мы верим в потенциал, и с нами господин Джеффри.
We believe in everything, and we want to say thank you. to Jeffri.
Thank you, spasiba.